it's Melissa here to plan in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So proud of myself. I just got that right for like the first time ever. So this week I actually wanted to use my Botanicals sticker in my Classic, my Skinny Classic. There we go again. So first off, last week I actually had kind of a running list of like a 5-day glance as to what videos I need to publish on YouTube. And I found that to be really helpful. So I think this week I might use some of these smaller stickers to do the same thing again. Just gonna get started. This is kind of a place where I always put a quote, and that's really worked out for me. I almost want to take one of these and then cut it up. There's 8. Maybe I will do that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just because I don't really use these massive checklists, so that might be a good idea for me to use it in this way. Let me just find them again. I think I'm gonna use this here just to start. What I might do is I might cover this up with a floral. Let me white it out first. And then maybe I'm going to use those half circles. To cover this up. Let me put this down here. Just going to straighten it by kind of having it like that. And I know that I want to stick some florals in the corners here, so I'm not going to push it down too hard. Yeah, I think I'm going to use these ones. So, I just kind of stick this here. Super cute. And then I might just stick one of the bigger floral clusters, one of these guys, right along here. I'll just cut off the edges. I almost think that I should have put it underneath it. Let me just lift this up gently. And I'll lift this guy up, and I'll just stick it underneath this weekend. Oh gosh, this is really, really sticky. So maybe I'll just, a little bit of it under. Yeah, I can live with that. Let me cut off the rest. That's a good place to start. Now, what I've found that has really worked for me is to put 2 bullet points a day for my Instagram post, and then 2 kind of one big label sticker each day for my YouTube videos. Just trying to find what to use for that. Okay, so there's no, I couldn't find any bullet points. I'm just going to find other sticker books so that I can put that in. So I found the Boss Babe sticker book. I'm just going to use that for my bullet points. But first, let me kind of just decorate a little bit more here. I think to just, use all of the stickers, I might use these boxes. You know what, I think I'm going to use some of the go-getter ones. So I think I'm going to use these stickers. Thankfully, I have 7. So I'm just going to start now this week. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick them on the same side. And then I'm going to do my 2, YouTube posts on the left. Now I know that there's a lot of these kind of similar florals, or sorry, similar colors in the Botanicals book, so I'm sure I can make this work. Found that this has really helped to make sure that, well, not that I've posted every single day, but seeing the box there kind of really motivates me to maybe try to post something. So I feel like that's the good part of it. So I'm just going to put this here, and then I'm going to find similar type icons that I can stick on the left, just 2 per day. So there's these stars. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So there's these stars here in the Go Getter book. I'm just going to put 2 each day on the left-hand side. I'm going to use my tweezers. Okay. This here. I feel like this is too dark, so I'm going to move this down here. I'll add a pink one right here. I'll add a pink one on this side. Add a mint one here. And I guess the only thing that can go there is the black. Oh, I can put a pink one. I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me put this black one here. So yeah, same thing with my YouTube posts. My Instagram posts. I can't really say that I'm successful every single day, but this really motivates me to at least try to post something every single day. So, or to post 2 things. So at the very least, it's aspirational sometimes, but I like that. Put this here. That needs maybe a mint green. Black on this. And let me put this here. Now I just need maybe put this like that. Then I'll put a navy one over here. Let me lower this a little bit. And then now I'm going to kind of tie in all of the colors that I used using the Botanicals sticker book. I love this, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to stick half a cluster on top of this and then another half on here. So I'm just going to make sure that this floral ends up being okay. Then I'm going to cut this off and stick one right along here. I'm going to stick one on Monday. I know that they're both on navy, but I kind of like that. And then I feel like that's kind of good to tie in the green and the pink. I want to tie in some of the blue. I think I'm going to add this right here. Maybe I'll put it in like this. Yeah, I still want to be able to write in this box, but it's so pretty. And I'll add a quote on here. And since there's gold florals, I'm going to add, or there's a gold foil, add this gold one on this side. I think I can still write something on here. And then I'll put some motivational quotes. I think I should have put a quote in the middle here. So I'm going to put this stand out. I like that. And I do want to add a gold floral. Maybe I'll put this and a quote. Yeah, I'm going to work in some of this blue. I know that it's really bright, but that's okay. I'm going to layer this on top. And then I'll put this right on top of here. I like this. I really like this one. I'm just going to put it on here. And then I'll layer a floral on top beside it. Let me put some leaves. And I kind of want to put some sort of saying. Actually, no, I'm not going to put any sayings on there, but I will put a quote on here. And I might add just a little some sort of decoration there. I really like this. Live well. I have already used that. So I'm going to add this and then a floral. Maybe I'll add a gold one. Oh, and this is so cute. But I don't want to put 2 quotes on top of each other, so maybe I'll just add some sort of floral right here. So there's this half of a floral that I haven't really used. I think that's too big. Maybe I'll put a gold one right beside it. I'm going to do that. I'm going to mix and match some of this gold foil and this. And then I'm going to add this with, oh, maybe I'll add that other floral that I found. Just going to kind of have that coming off of here. Then I'll put the live well right beside it. And I like this. Now I do end up somewhat decorating it the same way every single week, but I think I'm okay with that. I just need this to be really functional for me, for my needs. So I think this is it for my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you don't miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.